Three, two, and one. So ladies and gentlemen, we are so happy and I think 95% of our guests still with us, joining and showing their love and support for Ellie's 3rd birthday. So you deserve a big hands to yourselves. Palakpakan naman dyan sa aking mga sarili. Thank you so much for showing your love and support on Ellie's 3rd birthday. Now, we're now for our last entertainment for this night, and we will have our bubble show for this evening. So kids, later on you have the chance to be inside in our bubbles, but I want all our guests and visitors to count down to one, and we'll start with our last entertainment. So, ladies and gentlemen, kids, are you ready? Yes or no?
No, yes!
Okay, wala pa kayo mga bata, kita na lang yung utobang answer, no? So, once again, sa